Alright, in the previous video, we have learned how you can make custom 404 and 405 handlers. In this tutorial, we will take a look on sub-routers. So what does it mean, sub-routers? It means that you can make your endpoint more clear, okay? Let me give you example. Like in here, okay? You have the parents, for example, you want to make API that related to articles, right? So instead of you type articles multiple times in here, okay, you can just define the parents in here, okay, and then if you want to add the endpoint that, for example, like slash article slash 123 as an ID, and you want to add multiple endpoint, you don't have to write articles in multiple location in here. Instead, you can just use slash like this. Alright, perhaps if I explain it with my explanation, perhaps it's not clear enough, but I will show you in the code. Okay, we are back to the code. So in here, for example, I want to make some API that related to authors. For example, like get slash author. This is to get the list of authors. Post authors. This is insert new author, and then get slash authors ID to get detail of author, and for example like delete. Okay, this is authors, so ID delete author by ID. Let me give you this example, right? So in simple way, I can just do this like this. Okay, example like the first one is this, right? Get authors. Authors. In this topic, I'll just use inline function. Okay, to make it more simple. So this HTTP right constructor or HTTP request. This example like this. This is to get list of authors. And then next the post. So our post authors function insert new author like this. Okay, this is for the second one. The third one is get authors ID, and then function like this, get detail of author, and finally the delete author ID, function delete author by ID. Okay, so in more traditional way, I can just do it like this. So let's test it. Let's run the application. Go run. If I hit in the postman like this, authors. Okay, I get this response. Okay, so it's valid. Post, I get this message which is also valid. Get slash 123. So yeah, this is also equal, and then delete. Okay, this is correct. Okay, but in here you might notice that the code is very long. Okay, you can make this code more simple. How you can do it? Okay, so let me comment this. So first is get, you type out like this, and then slash authors like this. Okay, and then in here you type this, and then you type this, and then you have another endpoint like this, right? After the authors you have ID. What you can do is you can type this out ID func, and then copy this. Okay, like this. So you can see the grouping of your endpoint. So in this way it is more manageable. If we run this, we get error. So what's the error? Oh, it must begin with the slash. So this one slash. Okay, like this. Go run. Okay, let's test that. Get this. No. You go the authors, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so you don't need to type authors. Okay, like this. Okay, this is also. Oh, okay, that's my mistake because I'm just copying paste. So let's restart the application. Send. There you go. You get this. Then post. You get this. How about this? You get this. Get detail. Correct. And then finally delete. There you go. Delete author by ID, which is valid. So this way your code is more readable.